All right, this video is for my calculus class, both for the parents and the students. And I want to here's my contact information. Just a little outline of what we offer here at the Career Center. Calculus is the highest that we offer, just like all high schools, but we are not AP accredited. We do not get as far as we need to in order to make this an AP calculus class. But what we do, in addition to that, which sometimes is even better, is that I offer 8 additional credit hours, college credit hours that is transferable. It's offered through Sinclair, and we actually do it within this class. If you have to be in this calculus class to try to be able to get all 8, no other class is going to be able to give you this opportunity, and that's just because you're making it here. You're at the highest level that we offer, so we want to be able to offer you as much as we possibly can for that next step in your life. So, and again, those are through Sinclair, and when the time comes up, we will be passing out papers to get you guys ready to get those. You can pause the video if you'd like to read the course description and the rationale, but I'm going to go right to the supplies. And the 2 new ones I've underlined there, we're going 1-to-1 this year, so if you have your laptop, that would be every single day. We're going to be in them every single day. And having a stylus, right? They're not just a laptop, they are a tablet, so we can edit them. They're 40 cents in the supply store here, or I'm offering them here as well. I'm going to have a classroom set of stylus for the same price, or I might be even get a little bit cheaper than 40 cents, depending on how much I have to pay. You can look at the course outline. Calculus itself is a 3-semester college class. So here at the high school, throughout the whole year, we cover about a semester of it. So it's really a great just introduction into what calculus is and what it brings to us, and what knowledge it brings us to do math problems of today. Here's a big one. I know you guys want to know how you're graded, so I try to make this grading scale as much college-like that I can. I mean, it's not exactly college. I mean, if it was college, you wouldn't get any credit or homework at all, and you just you get your test grades, and that would be it for a lot of classes. So that's the reason why you see the scale: 20% homework, 80% test, where I know that 80% factor is very intimidating, but something I will do, and a lot of students take advantage of it, is reassessing any test or quiz that you do in this class. Okay, and a lot of classes before, you might not even had this option, but since I'm putting that 80% scale on there, I'm giving you this option if you like to. Even if you get a 92%, all right, and it's saying you want it to be higher, you can reassess it, and I'll average your 2 tests or 2 quizzes together. We will also have to correct the mistakes that you did on the first test, either together, okay, or from a friend, as long as you show me that you've done your corrective learning and that you understand what you did wrong. We will take another test. Your homework, yes, it's 20%. So I am giving you credit for those homework assignments, but those homework assignments, those problems are right on your test. All right, so everything, those are really just practicing for yourself. Make sure and hold yourself accountable that you understand that material, specifically that material, because that material will be on the test. Okay, let's move to the next part. So if you want to reassess, just give me a week before the 9 weeks is up. So here are the dates for the end of each 9 weeks. That gives me a week to grade the second test and then course average them. We're going to be doing a lot of classwork in this calculus. We're going to be taking a lot of notes. So come prepared with the stylus, laptop, paper, pencil as well. As we this is our first year into 1-to-1, so I'm going to be mixing back and forth between the two until myself and you guys are going to get comfortable with those laptops. Late work is just going to be one-on-one basis. I'm going to just see how well you guys are, you're hard you're working. Every student here is going to learn at a different pace. Some of you guys are going to hit different roadblocks than others, and I just want to let you know I understand that. So if you need some extra help and you need some extra time, and you're a person that I know um, that comes prepared to class and tries their best, I'm going to work with you. I'm going to be very lenient with you to allow you that time so that you can get it in. So um, just as long as your reputation is good, then I have room to work with you as well. So being successful, you got to take good notes. You're allowed using your notes on your test as well. Okay, so that's something else that you're not able to do in college. But I mean, I get it. I'm just I know calculus is a hard topic. So the better notes, the more prepared you're going to feel for your tests and your quizzes. Do your own work. I mean, I love seeing you guys work together. I just don't want to see you guys cheat. That's it. I don't want to see you go online and copy the answers because, I mean, 20% homework copying the answers and then coming to the test and not understanding what it was about isn't going to do any good. And that's exactly why colleges and these courses are going to that grading scale. You guys got a wealth of knowledge out there on that internet. Feel free to use it. Just learn it. That's the most important thing that I want to emphasize. And be in school. That's the just be here. That is being here is going to be the best for you. Now I record all of my lessons, so if you're not here, you can watch those lessons and stay up to date with them. But um, sometimes I pause that lesson as we move into a discussion or something else in the class. So being in the classroom is obviously your best scenario. Okay, and make sure you're informed. Okay, parents, make sure that parent access so you guys can see those activities that they're doing in class, their group assignments that they're doing in class, and if they're being turned in on time, and that they're not falling behind. So as long as you're responsible for yourself and you're having a positive attitude and you're just giving me the best that you can, um, then I think you will have a very successful year in this class. So if you could, both you and your parents can sign this, and we can have a good year. Thank you.